आपको एक फाइनेंशियल मॉडल आउटपुट के यूजेस पता होंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप कोई जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन देखोगे तो आप झट समझ जाओगे कि ये तो आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये फाइनेंशियल मॉडल के थ्रू होता है. So hi everyone, this is a complete financial modeling guide. Here I will explain you what is a financial model, what is it used for, who builds financial models, how can you learn it, and what is the complete layout or the structure using which you build a financial model. इस guide के बाद भी आपके मन में जो भी doubts होंगे, feel free to put in the comment section. Now let's begin. Number 1, what exactly a financial model is? So guys, ये एक tool होता है which is built on MS Excel and we forecast any given business's financial performance here. But how can you forecast the future today? So we gather historical data and we make assumptions about future. Usually income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement and supporting schedules के historical data को base मान के हम future के assumptions build करते हैं. And this is the starting point of any given financial model. अगर आपको ये build करना आ गया तब आप advanced level के models बना पाओगे. उसकी बात हम करेंगे. Before that, let me tell you, Skill 91 के Financial Modeling Club में we start right from the basics so that a person who does not know the concepts of finance and accounts can learn those. And we create model from zero on Excel. So loads of valuation concepts, models, doubt support and Excel templates all are given to you on Skill 91 at 3-digit price. और अभी जो डिस्काउंट चल रहा है उसका डिटेल आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. Okay, now what is a model exactly used for? आपको एक फाइनेंशियल मॉडल आउटपुट के यूजेस पता होंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आप कोई जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन देखोगे तो आप झट समझ जाओगे कि ये तो आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये फाइनेंशियल मॉडल के थ्रू होता है. सो व्हेनेवर अ रोल और अ जॉब इन्वॉल्व्स फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड परफॉर्मिंग फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस ऑफ द कंपनी और द इंडस्ट्री, फाइनेंशियल मॉडल वहां पे यूज होगा ही होगा. लेट मी क्विकली ब्रीफ यू द मेजर डिसीजंस दैट इन्वॉल्व अ मॉडल मेकिंग. सो मोस्ट फेमस वंस आर वैल्यूइंग अ बिजनेस, वैल्यूइंग एन एसेट, रेशियो एनालिसिस, बजटिंग, फोरकास्टिंग, कैपिटल एलोकेशन एंड देन सम मोर एडवांस्ड ट्रांजैक्शंस लाइक रेजिंग कैपिटल, मेकिंग acquisition जो core IB के बंदे करते हैं, etc. Alright, so these are the used, but we are more interested in jobs and career, aren't we? So the most common types of career are in investment banking, equity research, corporate development, financial planning and analysis, accounting, due diligence, valuation, etc. are also where professionals build financial model as their routine task. दोस्तों entry level positions आपको graduation और financial modeling skill learn करने के बाद आराम से मिल जाती हैं. अगर आप articleship करना चाहते हो IB boutique firms में तो CA इंटर के बाद इसे learn कर लो और articleship join कर लो under practicing chartered accountants who do code valuation, fundraising, transaction support, etc. You can search these firms on LinkedIn or just Google them out. CFA, MBA, Finance, CA, etc. के बाद किया तो काफी अच्छे पैकेज मिलेंगे और पोजीशन आपको अच्छी मिलेंगी, not just entry level. So now you can clearly judge how many plethora of opportunities and job roles get open for you once you learn this skill. Now, how can you learn this? How am I helpful to you? Number 1, if you can draft a financial statement and you are aware of accounts concepts, half your job is done. Next, if you know how to operate Microsoft Excel, next half your job is done. To be honest, guys, the step-by-step structure somewhat goes like this. Number 1, every financial model starts with company's historical data. You should know how to pull 3 to 5 years of financial inputs into Excel. This is done from annual reports or websites. Next, you have to do some cleaning. You have to get rid of some stuff you don't need. You have to do some calculations like ratio analysis of the past data. Third, you run your analytical mind. आपको पता है कि future is the best reflection of past, so here you engineer your assumptions. For example, forward going company का revenue growth rate क्या होना चाहिए, variable fixed costs क्या लगेंगी, inventory days, working capital कितनी लगेगी, क्या कुछ नए assets खरीदने पड़ेंगे, etc. etc. Thereafter, using all these assumptions, you start creating your 3-statement model, which looks something like this. Things start getting interesting when you build an income statement, a balance sheet, supporting schedules, and then finally link all of these together. This is your base complete. But remember, this is just a base, huh? Real work starts when you have to use this for your core analysis and decision making. For example, जो company की management होती है, वो decision making करती है using the models जो आप उन्हें build करके देते हैं. Now you might be thinking, how will you be able to forecast the revenue and cost and asset of some, let's suppose, hotel company? तो यहाँ पे आप उस होटल कंपनी के past income statement, balance sheet data के साथ साथ होटल इंडस्ट्री रिसर्च करोगे. ये सब आपको जनरली वेबसाइट्स की डिटेल्स हम फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग क्लब में सिखाते हैं. Now guys, coming back, you must have heard about some valuation methods like discounted cash flow, company's comparable approach, haven't you? So these are what I'm talking about. In our Skill 91 Financial Modeling Club, let me tell you, we offer complete valuation models step by step. I help you create a discounted cash flow structure. मैं बहुत जल्द वीडियो भी एक डेमो के रूप में आपको दूंगी. So guys, I explained you all that I promised you in the beginning of the video. However, this is not the end of financial modeling and valuation. We do sensitivity analysis, we build scenarios, क्योंकि जो assumptions होते हैं वो तो कभी भी change हो सकते हैं. Assumptions risky भी होते हैं, इसलिए हम risk analysis भी करते हैं. We communicate all these results using effective dashboard, chart, graph. Hence, knowledge of Excel is also important. So guys, here I come to the end of the video. If you want to see all of these things in action, come in my club. You will love putting your theoretical knowledge into action. Bye.